Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is DEBASISH Mohapatra and you are listening to Dev Talks. In this session, we are going to discuss about an introduction to artificial intelligence or AI. So let's start the session. So let's start with the introduction. Artificial intelligence or AI is the field that studies the synthesis and analysis of computational agents that act intelligently. Let us examine each part of the definition. An agent is something that acts as an environment, like it does something. Agents include worms, dogs, airplanes, robots, humans, companies, and countries. We have interested in what an agent does, that is how it acts. We judge an agent by its actions. An agent acts intelligently when what it does is appropriate for its circumstances and its goals. It is flexible to changing environments and changing goals. It learns from experience and it makes appropriate choices given its perceptual and computational limitations. An agent typically cannot observe the state of the world directly. It has only a finite memory and it doesn't have unlimited time to act. A computational agent is an agent whose decisions about its actions can be explained in terms of computations. That is, the decision can be broken down into primitive operations that can be implemented in a physical device. This computation can take many forms. In human, this computation is carried out in wetware. In computers, it is carried out in hardware, although there are some agents that are arguably not computational, such as the wind and rain, eroding and landscape. And it is an open question whether all intelligent agents are computational. The central scientific goal of AI is to understand the principles that make intelligent behavior possible in nature or artificial systems. This all is done by the analysis of natural and artificial agents, formulating and testing hypotheses about what it takes to construct intelligent agents, and designing, building, and experimenting with computational systems that performs tasks commonly viewed as requiring intelligence. As part of science, researchers build empirical systems to test hypotheses or to explore the space of possibilities. Like, these are quite distinct from applications that are built to be useful for an applications or applications domain. Note that the definition is not for intelligent thought. We are only interested in thinking intelligently in so far as it leads to better performance. The role of thought is to affect action. The central engineering goal of artificial intelligence or AI is the design and synthesis of useful, intelligent artifacts. We actually want to build agents that act intelligently. Such agents are useful in many applications. Let's discuss about artificial and natural intelligence. What is artificial intelligence, and what is natural intelligence? So artificial intelligence or AI is the established name for the field, but in the term artificial intelligence is a source of much confusion, because artificial intelligence may be interpreted as the opposite of real intelligence. It is arguable that intelligence is different. You cannot have fake intelligence. If an agent behaves intelligently, it is intelligent. It is only the external behavior that defines intelligence. Acting intelligently is being intelligent. Thus, artificial intelligence, if and when it is achieved, will be a real intelligence created artificially. This idea of intelligence being defined by external behavior was the motivation for a test for intelligence designed by Turing, which has become known as the Turing test. The Turing test consists of an imitation game where an interrogator can ask a witness via a test interface any questions. So we will discuss about Turing test or Turing, what in by Turing machines in our upcoming sessions. So an agent that is not really intelligent could not fake intelligence for arbitrary topics. There has been much debate about the Turing test. Unfortunately, although it may provide a test for how to recognize intelligence, it doesn't provide a way to get there. Trying to each year to fake it doesn't seem like a useful avenue to of research. So the obvious naturally intelligent agent is the human being. Some people might say that worms, insects, or bacteria are intelligent, but more people would say that dogs, whales, or monkeys are intelligent. One class of intelligent agents that may be more intelligent than humans is the uh, class of organizations. Ant colonies are like a prototypical example of organizations. So each individual ant may not be very intelligent, but an ant colony can act more intelligently than any individual ant. The colony can discover food and exploit it very effectively, as well as adapt to changing circumstances. Similarly, companies can develop, manufacture, and distribute products where the some of the skills required is much more than any individual could master. Modern computers, from low-level hardware to high-level software, are more complicated than any human can understand. Yet they are manufactured daily by organizations of humans. Human society viewed as an agent is arguably that most intelligent agent known. It is instructive to consider where human intelligence comes from. So generally there are three main sources. First one is biology, second one is culture, and the last one is lifelong learning. So let's discuss one by one. So in biology, humans have evolved into adaptable animals that can survive in various habitats. Second point is culture. In culture, provides not only language but also useful tools, useful concepts, and the wisdom that is passed from parents and teachers to children. Last is a lifelong learning. In lifelong learning, humans learn throughout their life and accumulate knowledge and skills. So these sources interact in complex ways. Biological evolutions has provided stages of growth that allow for different learning at different stages of life. We humans and our culture have evolved together, so that humans are helpless at birth, presumably because of our culture of looking after infants. So culture interacts strongly with learning. A major part of lifelong learning is what people are taught by parents and teachers. Language, which is part of culture, provides distinctions in the world that should be noticed for learning. So that's all about introduction to artificial intelligence. So I hope this tutorial is very useful for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates, like our videos. See you in the next sessions. Happy learning.